Yes, Jai Gurudev children. In previous period beta, we had learned up to the question number that is exercise 5.6. Today onwards we are going to start fraction, chapter fraction, exercise 5.6. And today we are going to learn beta that is division of the fractions. How we will divide the fraction whenever the division sign will be there beta. At that time what we will do, first of all, in first step what you will do, you just convert this division sign into the multiplication sign. Okay, and you will write that reciprocal of 1/2. Okay, and this first fraction or whole number, whatever it is given, it will remain as same. Okay, now what you will do, 5 into, you know na, reciprocal of 2/1, what it will be? 2/1. Okay, it will be 2/1. So if you will multiply the numerator, what you will get? 5 into 2/1. 5 into 2 means 10/1 is equal to 10 will be your answer. Okay, now just see further. See beta B part of this question. Okay, you have given 6 divided by 2/5. What you will do? 6 into, in bracket, reciprocal of 2/5. In next line, 6 into reciprocal of 2/5 means 5 will go in numerator and 2 will go in denominator. It means 6 into 5/2. 6 5 the 30/2, and it will become cancel. So your answer will be as 50. Okay, now just see 1/5 divided by 3/4. So how you will do? 1/5 into reciprocal of 3/4 and keep it in bracket in this way. And in next line, 1/5 into reciprocal means reverse of this fraction, 4/3. 4/3. So it will go 1 into 4/5 into 3. Further cancellation cannot be possible. So what we will do, 4 1 ja 4 or 5 3 ja 15 will be as your answer after division. Okay, see that next question, D part of this question. 11 divided 7/2. 11 division sign will convert into multiplication or reciprocal of 7/2. Okay, so 11 into reciprocal of 7/2 will be 2/7. So in this way we can write. So what it will be? 11 2 ja 22/7. Okay, and 22/7 will be as your answer. Or if you would like to write it, you can write in mixed fraction. 7 3 ja 21. 7 3 ja 21. Okay, 3. Or if we will subtract 22 minus 21, how much it will remain? 1. 3 1/7. So 3 1/7 will be as your answer. I taught you in previous classes when we had started the chapter fraction. At that time I taught you how to convert a mixed fraction into a improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Okay, now come to the E part of the same question. See that now. 5/8 divided by 3/2. Okay, now see that 5/8 division sign will convert into multiplication or reciprocal of 3/2. So 5/8 into reciprocal of 3/2 will be 2/3. So you can see that 2 1 ja 2 and 2 4 ja 8. We can make them cancel because they are in multiplication. So what will remain in numerator now? 5 into 1/4 into 3. 5 1 ja 5/4, 3 ja 12 will be as your answer. Okay, now come to the question number F. F I am leaving for you because it is same as B and D part. So you will do this question yourself. G part I am going to do now. See that now what is the deep. See that beta 2 3 upon 4 divided by 1 5 upon 7. Okay. It is in mixed fraction. First of all, you will convert this into improper fraction. 4 2 ja 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11 upon 4. Division sign keep it is same. 7 1 ja 7. 7 plus 5 12. 12 upon 4. Okay. Now first of all what we have done, we have simplified the fraction. Now in next step what you will do, this multiplication sign will be convert into sign, and 12 upon 4 you will write that reciprocal of 12 upon 4. Okay. Now 11 upon 4 will be same as. Okay. Now see that 11 upon 4 into, now reciprocal of 4 upon 12 will be 12 upon 4 will be 4 upon 12. Now you can see that in numerator and denominator both the places 4 is there, so you can make it cancel. Okay. So what will remain with you? 11 upon 12. Now further simplification is not possible, so it will be your answer. Okay. Now in this way H, I and J part. How many parts? One more part I left for you, that was F, H, I and J. F, H, I and J will be your homework. See that now. 3 upon 5 divided by 4 upon 5. If fill in the blanks it is. So how you will do? You will do same as in question number 1 we were doing. You will write that. Do in the detail always. Okay. And whatever answer will come, you will fill that answer here in the fill in the blanks. But you will do always with the complete solution. 3 upon 5. Then convert this divide sign into multiplication. And you will write that reciprocal of 4 upon 5. Then what you will do? 3 upon 5 into reciprocal of 4 upon 5 means 5 will go in numerator and 4 will come in denominator. Now 5 and 5 will become cancelled, so your answer will be as 3 upon 4. So what you will fill here, divided, when you will fill it, what you will get? 3 upon 4. So it will be your answer. Okay. In this way you will complete them. See that now the second part of this one. See that now. 2 upon 70 divided by 2 upon 70. So do in detail. 2 upon 70 into reciprocal of 2 upon 70. Then 2 upon 70 into 70 will go in numerator, 70 upon 2. 70 1 ja 70. 2 1 ja 2. What you will get? 1 upon 1. It means 1 will be your answer. So it will be written as 1. Okay. Now see that the next one, that is C part. 0 divided by 3 upon 4. 0 divide means multiply, reciprocal of 3 upon 4. It means 0 into 4 will go in numerator, 3 in denominator. It will 0 into 4 means 0. 0 upon something. I taught you that while we were doing the fraction and introduction part, I taught you that 0 upon something is always equal to 0. So it will be equal to 0. Okay. Now see that the D part of this question. So is equal to, it was fill in the blank. So you will write that 0 here. Okay. Now see that the next part of this question. Now it is another kind question. 2 upon 5 divided by what? By what sign? So that you will get equal to 1. So what you will do? 2 upon 5 divided by, suppose x. You are dividing, suppose it by, see that, suppose we have what sign here. So divided by what is equal to 1. So how you will do this question? See that. Do in the same way as we are doing. Okay. So 2 upon 5 into, okay, reciprocal of you can write that in fraction. It is not that. You can write that what upon 1. You can write that what upon 1. Okay, reciprocal of what upon 1 is equal to 1. So what it will become? 2 upon 5 into what upon 1 means 1 will go in numerator and what sign will come in denominator is equal to 1. Okay, so see that 2 upon 5 what is equal to 1. We can write in this way. Okay, now see that. Do the cross multiplication. Everybody knows the cross multiplication na? In this way, 2 into 1 is equal to 5 into what? So we need what sign? We need the value of what? So 2 into 1 means 2 and this 5 will come down. 2 upon 5 is equal to what? It will be your answer. Or you may understand that if you will you are dividing any fraction by the same value, always you will get 1. If you are dividing any fraction, suppose if you are dividing, in rule also you can write that rule na, by dividing any fraction to the same value, the quotient comes as 1. Okay, if you will divide the any fraction to the same value, so you can see that if you will divide this 2 upon 5 and in what value also we got 2 upon 5, then you will get quotient as 1. Okay, now come to the next question. Just now we have learned that by dividing any fraction to the same value, the quotient comes 1. Here you have given quotient 1. So what will be your answer? Divided by same value. So 4 upon 7 will be divided. If 4 upon 7, then your answer will be equal to 1. Then your answer will be equal to 1. Okay. Now see that the next one, that is F part. Okay, see that in F part what is written, that 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 2. Do it by the same property again. If you will divide 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 2, what you will get? Or directly you can write that its answer will come 1 because you are dividing the fraction by the same value. Okay, now in detail also you can do 1 upon 2 division sign will convert into multiplication sign, or 1 upon 2 write that reciprocal of 1 upon 2. Reciprocal of 1 upon 2. So what it will be? 1 upon 2. Reciprocal of 1 upon 2 means 2 upon 1. So 2 and 2 will become cancelled. So it will come 1 upon 1 is equal to 1 as your answer. So I have already written it 1. It means keep this thing in your mind, that if you are dividing or multiplying any fraction by 0, then its value will become 0. If you will dividing any fraction by the same fraction, then your quotient will come equal to 1. Then you will get quotient equal to 1. Okay, now come to the H part. Or I am writing few rules for you. One rule I have written here. One more rule I am writing, that is, see that H part 4 1 upon 4 divided by 4 upon 1 upon 4. Again they are in mixed fraction but they have same value. It means what answer should come? Equal to 1 should come. Equal to what you will get? 1. Directly I am writing it. And I am solving it also. 4 4 ja 16. 16 plus 1 17 upon 4 divided by 17 upon 4. So 17 upon 4 divided by, multiply by reciprocal of 17 upon 4. So what you will get? See it now. (17 upon 4) or reciprocal can be written as 4 upon 17. So 4 and 4 will become cancelled, 17 and 17 will become cancelled, and how many times they will as 1 1 ja. Okay, so you will get 1 upon 1 is equal to 1 will be as your answer. So directly also I have written. Then when you are dividing any fraction by the equal same number of fraction, that is by the same value, means 4 upon 5 divided by 4 upon 5, then you will get quotient as 1. If you are dividing 3 upon 7 divided by 3 upon 7, you will get 1. If you are dividing any 0 by any fraction, another rule is, it was rule 1. One more rule I am writing for you. See that also. See that now what is the property? When 0 is divided by a number, okay, the quotient is 0. See that 0 is divided by any fraction, a upon b, suppose it is a form of any fraction, so what you will get? 0. You can see that now in your next question, that is J part. That is J part. Okay, what is in J part? Dash divided by 4 1 upon 3 is equal to 0. It means you are getting, what you are getting? 0. It means what should be here? Here it should be 0. If you will 0, you will divide by any fraction, you will get 0. So what it should be? 0 should be here. Okay, directly by using the property you can write that. Okay, so which question? G and I. Homework will be as G and I as your homework. I am leaving those part, you will perform yourself. Now see that the question number 2. Now see that question number 3. Soha read 1/4 of her story book. If there are 356 pages in her book, how many pages has she read? Okay, total books, total pages in book is equal to 356. How many pages? Okay, pages read by her is equal to how many pages? See that 1/4, 1 upon 4 of the pages. Okay, pages read by her is equal to 1 upon 4 of the pages. 1 upon 4 of mean multiply pages. How many pages was there? 356. Now find that. 4 8 ja 32. 3 will remain there as remainder. Okay, 4 9 ja 36. How many pages she read? 89 pages she read. It will be your answer. Okay, see that now. Next one. See that beta, Ranjit has rupees 6,05,001 rupees. He spent 2/3 of the amount. Total amount how much? Total amount is equal to 6,05,001 rupees. Okay, and he spent 2/3 of the amount on charity. Okay, amount spent means we have given someone or we have taken something. Okay, spent by him is equal to 2/3 means 2 upon 3 of total amount. Now whatever amount we will have, from that amount only we can spend. Okay, so 2 upon 3 of total. It means 2 upon 3 of means multiply. Total means how much amount you are having? 3,605,001. Now make it cancel, and then we will see that how much it will come. See that now. See that I am writing that 2 into 605,001 divided by 3. Okay, first I am multiplying it. First I am multiplying. 2 1 ja 2, 2 0 0, 2 0 0, 2 5 ja 10, 1 as carry, 2 0 0, or so 1 will come, or 2 6 ja 12. Okay, now divided by 3. So in here I am making one place for its division so that you can see it from here. Okay, what is that? 1 2 1 0 0 0 2 divided by 3. Okay, see that beta? 3 4 ja 12. Then bring down, here nothing will left, so bring down 1. So division is not possible, so 0 will go there. So again this 0 will come. 3 3 ja 9. 10 minus 9 1. Okay, so this another 0 will come down. Again it will be 3 3 ja 9. Then 10 minus 1 again 9 1. So this 0 will come down. 3 3 ja 9. So 10 minus 9 1. And lastly 2 will come down. So 3 4 ja 12. So how much amount he has spent? See it is equal to 40334 rupees spent. Okay, so amount left is equal to total minus amount spent. Okay, so total amount was 605001 minus 40334. Okay, now see that 11 minus 4 7. So how much it will remain here? 9. 9 minus 3 6. 9 minus 3 6. So how much here? 4. 4 minus 3 1. Okay, so here 0. 6 minus 4 2. This much of amount is left with him. It will be your answer. Now see that beta, there is a 4 kilometer long road in front of Anjali's house. How many kilometer? 4 kilometer. Anjali walks 3/4 distance every day. Okay, total length of road is equal to how much? 4 kilometer. 4 kilometer. Okay, in one day. Every day na? One day means every day means in one day. Okay, means distance covered by her in a day is equal to 3/4 of total. Okay, so 3/4 of means multiply. Total length how much? 4 kilometer. So 4 and 4 will cancel. So how much will remain? 3 kilometer. Means in one day how much distance she covers? 3 kilometer. Okay, so he is asking that how much distance does she cover in a week. Okay, so distance cover in a day is 3 kilometer. So distance covered by her in a week is equal to, how many days are in a week? 7. 7 into 3 is equal to 21 kilometers she will cover in a week. Okay, see up to here. Now see that, find 3/5 of 450. Of means multiply. 450 will remain here. 3/5. Okay, so make it cancel. 5 9 ja 45 and 0 will come in front of that. So 9 3 ja 27 or 270 will be as your answer. So it is very simple question. Nothing is there in this question. Okay, now see that question number 7. See that beta, now question number 7. Okay, see what is the question number 7. Divide the product of 4/5. Product means multiply. Divide the product of 4/5 and 3/7. First write that product of 3/5 and 4/7 and 4/7. How you can write this product? Product means multiply. So 3/5 multiply by 4/7. So how much? What it will become? 3 into 4 upon 5 into 7. 3 4 ja 12 or 5 7 ja 35. Okay. Now what he is saying that divide the product of, okay, divide product we got product by 9 upon 25. Okay, write the product first. 12 upon 35. For make division sign. By which number you have to divide? 9 upon 25. Okay, now see that how you will do now. 12 upon 35. Convert this division sign into multiply. Write that reciprocal of 9 upon 25. Okay, so how you will write? 12 upon 35 into reciprocal of 9 upon 25 will be 25 upon 9. Now make them cancel. 35 and 25 are coming in one table. 5 5 ja 25, 5 7 ja 35. 12 and 9 are also coming in a single table. 3 4 ja 12 and 3 3 ja 9. Now see that what will be remain in numerator? 5 into 4 upon 7 into 3. 5 4 ja 20 upon 7 3 ja 21 will be as your answer. Okay. See that now. Next question. See that beta. In a class, see that next question. In a class of 45 children, 1 upon 5 are sick and 1 upon 3 have gone out for a study tour. How many are left? Total children was how many? 45. Sick, how many children were sick? 1 upon 5 of total. Na? So 1 upon 5 multiplied by 45 because total number of strength is 45. So how many children? 5 9 ja 45. 9 1 ja 9. 9 children are sick. Gone for tour, 1 upon 3 of total. So 1 upon 3 multiplied by 45. So how many of them have gone for tour? 15 children have gone for tour. Okay. Now come add them. Those are sick and those went for the tour. They will not come in a class. See that 6, 9 and for tour how many? 15. Add them now. 24 children, it means they are not attending the class. Then how many of them are attending the class? See that. Children left is equal to total minus 24. Total was 45 minus 24 is equal to 21 children. Okay. Just enough for today. Complete up to here question number 8 and then rest of the things we will start from the next class. Till that, thank you and Jai Gurudev to all of you.